Hey, welcome to Tortilla Takeover. Tonight, we're making Huevos Rancheros. Let me just show you what these look like right here. Look at that. These are Huevos Rancheros, New Mexican style. And this is what you'd receive if you went to a New Mexican restaurant. All the New Mexican restaurants have these on the menu. Got papitas, beans, eggs, tortillas, and red chili sauce. You can get this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. They serve it all day long. Okay, and I didn't make the red chili sauce. Elizabeth and I love going to this place called Charlie's Spic Span Bakery and Restaurant in Las Vegas, New Mexico. And when we're there, we like to grab a jar of their red chili sauce because it's fantastic. And we did a quick little review on Charlie's Spic Span on our What We Thought channel. If you want to go check that out, I can't leave if I remember, I'll put a link below. Otherwise, just go to our channel and look for it. It's a little short restaurant review of Charlie's Spic Span. So let me show you how we put this together. It's super easy, super quick. The longest part is just making the fried potatoes. Or if you like hash browns, make hash browns. That's cool. All right, let me show you how it's done, and we'll come back and taste it. First things we got to do is get started with our Huevos Rancheros is get our potatoes cooking up. And you can do diced or you can do hash browns. Hash browns usually is an option for breakfast. Okay, I've got these golden potatoes. If they're not quite enough, I have some frozen ones. Okay, that looks like it's going to be enough right there. So over here I just happen to have some bacon grease, and that's what we're going to fry our potatoes in. A little SPG to season them, salt, pepper, garlic. Salt and pepper is fine. I have some, this is just jarred. I didn't make the red chili sauce. And then instead of pinto beans, I'm gonna use black beans tonight because I like black beans a little better than pinto. So beans and red chili sauce. Next we'll do our tortillas, our eggs, and put it together. Okay, so we got our red chili heating up and we have our beans heating up, and now we need to fry up some your tortilla shells, corn tortillas. You don't want to do corn tortillas raw. You got to cook them up a little bit. They start to bubble like that. Okay, so we're going to get 2 tortillas on a plate. Before we do our eggs, I like to put a little bit of red chili sauce on the tortillas right now. And a little bit of cheese. I like using the Chihuahua. It's a quesadilla cheese. Not a whole lot, just a little. Okay. Also going to get the potatoes on the plate. Now Elizabeth doesn't care for beans, so she usually, even at the restaurant, she'll order just potatoes. She usually orders hash browns, but we're making the diced. And if you asked at the restaurant if you want hash browns or papitas, papitas is the small diced potato. So you'll know if they ask you about papitas, that's what it is, the potatoes. Okay, and for mine, I like the black beans. So I'm going to get some black beans on mine right there. All right, now for the eggs. See if I can get a couple eggs fried up. You can get your eggs however you want it. Over easy, over medium, over hard, scrambled, whatever your preference is. A bit of pepper. Tiny bit of salt. Now I'm going to get some more red chili sauce on these plates. You want to just smother them really well. You can get them in your potatoes. You want them all over your plate. Okay. Actually, I'm going to throw some cheese on here as well. I like extra cheese on mine. Nice and cheesy. Okay, and I like my eggs about over medium. So you just set your eggs right on top. All right, there you go. I have a little tortilla cheese on mine. Just give it that little bit of extra. Okay, and with your Huevos Rancheros, you always get some flour tortillas. So I'm going to attempt to do the 2 of these big ones. We're going to heat these on the open flame, soften them up, maybe give them a little bit of a char. And that'll go with our Huevos Rancheros. Okay, these are starting to puff. They're getting nice and soft. Okay, see, it's pretty easy. Once you have your sauce heated up and beans, they usually serve pinto beans. I like black. And have your potatoes done, assembling it and putting the cheese on it is a breeze. You'll always get a flour tortilla. I won't taste test that. Set that to the side. So there we go. Huevos Rancheros, restaurant style, New Mexican style. New Mexico, restaurant style, Huevos Rancheros with papitas and black beans instead of pinto beans. Okay. You know, I kind of looked these up just to see for myself other recipes, and I'll tell you what, there's people making these 50, 100 different ways. This is the way that we always get them here in New Mexico. They might vary a little tiny bit. Boy, this is cheesy. All right, there you go. I do have a little bit of an egg in there and tortilla. I'm gonna lose it. Still pretty hot. Okay, here we go. Boy, that red chili sauce is really good. We're lucky here in New Mexico. A lot of restaurants in Albuquerque, they sell their sauce in the local stores. So here's some with the, if I can keep anything on a fork, the papitas. And this is truly best eating it with a flour tortilla on the side. All right, there we go. There's the corn tortilla. If you get to go to a New Mexican restaurant more than once, order the Huevos Rancheros. That's a good judge of how good the restaurant's going to be. Okay, thanks for checking this out. Definitely give this a try. Huevos Rancheros, rancher's eggs, they're so good. And like I said, the restaurants here serve it morning, noon, and night. All right, thanks for checking out Tortilla Takeover. Hope you give this a try.